I'm truly sorry, but things have changed. You're not gonna know I used to know. It's killing me. And then you're living some my memories. Your stories echo from the past. Because your feet stand up when you're a black past. Sorry, I really am. My final words are on the beat.